Hi, and welcome back to another weekly vlog. I didn't vlog last week. There was just way too much going on and I was not in a good mood last week, so I spared you. Hopefully this week is better. I'm home alone. Just took a shower. I cannot wait to get this haircut on Friday. It is insane how fast my hair grows and it is so thick. Anyways, it's a lot cooler today. Yay. I'm home alone. My daughter left for university. She's back and actually moving into her apartment today. And my husband is gone for the morning, so it's just me and the Budster. Say hello. Say hi, Bud. Hi. So I'm just catching up on some laundry and yeah, not a whole lot happened last week. Still no deal with the house. We'll keep our fingers crossed that maybe this week we'll have good news. Hello and good afternoon. I just got home, put the groceries away. It is so hot out. It is 40 Celsius with humidity, and today is September the 5th. This weather is crazy. You can see how my hair is all flattened out. And I just got a weather alert. There's a severe storm watch. Kind of hope it would thunderstorm. We haven't really had a good old-fashioned thunderstorm in a couple of years, and it would be nice to clear this humidity out. But by the weekend, it's supposed to be down to 19 Celsius and raining. Just gonna sit down here and chat with you. I got my after-school clothes on. I don't know if you're like me, but as soon as I get home from town, I like to get into just my bumming around the house clothes. So I didn't vlog last week. A lot went on. My daughter left to go back to school. Still haven't sold the house. We were working on a deal and I guess it fell through. So I was really disappointed about that. So we're praying and keeping our fingers crossed that somebody else comes along and makes an offer, because I sure would like to be settled before the snow flies. What else is new? Tomorrow I am going for a pedicure. That's not too exciting, but I'm also going to get my new progressive glasses, and I'm hoping that my contact lenses are in, because I went last week for another checkup. Well, not a checkup. I'm not sure what you call it. Just an appointment where they try and figure out what strength of contacts you need. Wow, my face looks really red. Must be my blood pressure. What was I saying? Anyways, they had to order in a stronger lens for, I think, my left eye. I think my left eye is my worst eye. So I'm hoping that's in tomorrow and I can pick up my glasses and my contacts. And then I'll see how they work, and then they will order me a bigger quantity once I figure out which works best. And then this weekend I'm having my family over. I'm making homemade lasagna, and I'll show you that whenever I make it. I make a very good lasagna. It costs a lot of money to make it, but it makes a huge amount. So I got the supplies for that today. What I like to do is make my meat sauce the day before, and then I just let it sit in the fridge overnight, and then the spices and the garlic, it really seems to get in there, and it's really, really good. So I'm having, I think there will be 9 of us, and then we play Remoli. We used to play it when we'd go camping when I was a kid, and we'd play it with pennies. So we like to get together every so often, especially more in the winter and the fall, and play Remoli. So that's fun. And other than that, not a whole else that I can think of that's new. Yeah. So I hope to get back to a more regular schedule filming. I just haven't been in the mood lately. I have to be in the mood to film, and I think just with everything else going on, I just didn't really feel like doing it. So yeah, that's what's new with me. Just going to show you what I'm having for dinner tonight. A piece of leftover pizza, and I just threw a tossed salad together with some romaine lettuce, some red bell pepper, some Vidalia onion. I cut up a little bit of cheddar cheese, and on top is just some Greek salad dressing. Bon appetit. Happy Friday, my friends. I'm busy in the kitchen. I have my hamburger starting to cook to make my lasagna sauce, and I have my mixer pulled out to make my carrot cake. It's a beautiful day. I'll show you outside. It's a beautiful day. Thankfully not as hot as it's been. So there is about 5 pounds of hamburger, and I'm just gonna brown that and cook it until all of the fat is off. You want to say hi? Say hi. Yeah? What's wrong? Talk to Mom. What's wrong? My mixer's there. I grated up these carrots last night and just had them in the fridge overnight. I hate grating carrots. And there is my mom's carrot cake recipe. This is a project I have to do this winter. I've had this book since I was 16 years old. I'm 50 now. And it's all family recipes, but a lot of them are starting to fade. So what I want to do is, well, save the recipes that I want and put them in a new book. So that's a project for this winter. I transferred the 5 pounds of cooked hamburger into this pot. And I added 2 cans of tomato sauce, and I threw in garlic, thyme, margarine, basil, and I think a little bit of oregano and pepper in here. Whenever I cook, I don't follow a recipe. I just kind of like to throw in whatever I want, and whenever it tastes good, then I say that it's done. So I'm gonna let this simmer on a low heat. Because the hamburger is cooked, I just want all the flavors to get mixed together. So I'm going to simmer it for probably about 20 to 30 minutes. I'll check in after 20 minutes and see what it looks like. So I'm going to put the lid on this, and then I'm going to go and get started on my cake. My wet ingredients are in the mixer, and I'm just going to start mixing them. There's the finished cake batter with the carrots, the walnuts, and all the dry ingredients. And I've already sprayed my bundt pan with some Pam. And then I'm going to put it in the oven. The oven's heating up, and I'm going to cook it. So there's my carrot cake. I just took it out of the oven. I'm going to let it cool. And I'll probably ice in it later this afternoon or tomorrow morning. And my sauce is still cooling down before I can put it in the fridge. I just wanted to show you my toes from my pedicure yesterday. What do you think of the color? I don't like it. It looked really pretty in the bottle. I don't know what the name is. It's an OPI fall color, but to me it just looks like gray. I don't know. It looks a little bluer today. It's supposed to be blue-gray, but to me it just looks blah. Oh well. Only toe polish. I'm just about to ice in my carrot cake, and I made the icing. I don't really follow a recipe. I make it from my head. It's basically some butter, shortening, icing, sugar, vanilla, and just a little bit of milk. There's the cake icing, and there's about half of the icing left over. So what I do is I pop that into a container and I freeze it, and next time I need icing, I don't have to bother making any. So I'm back from the hair salon, and I feel like I have some hair that wants to stand up on end here. I don't think I'm growing a horn in the middle of my head. So I'm going to wrap this vlog up because I'm not going to have time to edit anything tomorrow with company coming. So tune in next week and you will see me put the lasagna together. I'll let you know how the Romola game goes. Hopefully I'm the big winner. Have a great weekend. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you again soon. Bye.